Okay, so here's a quick little video clip on how to add a resource to a course. So today I am assigning this quiz I made. So right here on the gearbox, I'm going to click Add to Course. And rather than do each course individually, I'm going to assign it to one course, and then I'm going to go to that course and I'll copy it. Otherwise, I have to add this for each one, and that takes too long. So, maximum points, I put the due date for today, category, and then I add it. And that's it. Now, I will go to that course. It was period 1. And then I scroll to the bottom. And there it is. I just assigned it. And so now I click on the gearbox and copy to course. And that way I don't have to redo it for each one. Other little trick, this is, you can click here and click here and click here, but then you got to scroll down. I like to start at the bottom. Oh yeah, that's why, because when you click on the button, it opens up this menu, and then it makes it longer to select all of them. I know it. Seconds count, people. Seconds count. So I start from the bottom and go up. Otherwise, it takes forever. And efficiency matters. So you just check them all. Oh, not that one. And then you click copy. And now it has been copied to the other classes. Although I messed up, because what you need to do with the quiz, this is very important, is you need to enable submissions. Otherwise the kids can't do it. So my mistake. Aren't you glad I made that mistake so that you know about it too? And now, dummy that I am, now I should copy it. So that's important with the quiz. You only have to do that with the quiz. You don't have to do that with other assignments. But with those quizzes, you need to make sure that you enable them. And now this is really annoying because I'm adding it to the other courses again. But that's going to mean that in each of these courses, there are going to be 2 copies of that quiz. So now I created more work for myself because I'm going to have to go to those other courses. And let me show you what I mean. Alright, there are now 2 copies of that course, of that quiz. The first one, which isn't enabled, I'm going to have to delete that. Right? And that'll leave just the second one that is enabled. So hopefully you don't make the same mistake that I do. I keep making that mistake, and then I keep making more work for myself. But you're smarter than I am, and you won't do that. So hopefully this helped. If you have any questions, send me an email, and I'll do what I can. Be well. Take care now. Bye-bye then.